Okay, so from our time series data, this is the exam question. This is from the 2017 Northern Hemisphere exam. So we've got here a time series plot, which is charting quarterly sales figures. So remember that's 4 times a year, every 3 months, in millions of dollars of a small manufacturing business over a period of 4 years. So we see here, we've got here 4 quarters. That's 1 year. I might draw that. That's 1 year. Not drawn that very well. That's another year. That's year 2, year 3, and year 4. So we see over 4 years we have 16 quarters. So the time series plot is best described as having. So we've got to go through all of these options and see, do they describe what's going on? So let's have a bit of a look what's going on. So we're seeing here that it goes up from quarter 1 to quarter 2, then down quarter 2 to quarter 3, down again to quarter 4. From quarter 4 in year 1 to quarter 1 in year 2, it goes up. Then we get back to looking at it again, and we see it actually follows the same pattern. Up from quarter 1 to quarter 2, down from quarter 2 to quarter 3, down from quarter 3 to quarter 4, up from quarter 4 to quarter 1, up from quarter 1 to quarter 2, down from quarter 2 to quarter 3, down from quarter 3 to quarter 4, and again. So it's this same pattern throughout all of the years. And this pattern is repeating, and it's less than 12 months. Less than 12 months. So that's critical there. So we can say, well, it looks like there's seasonality there, because it's that same repeating pattern over a period of less than 12 months. So at that same period happening here over that 12 months, over that 12 months, over that 12 months, and over the last 12 months. It's that same pattern. So it's seasonality. So let's look at what else. So, is there no variability? Well, obviously not. There's a lot of things going on there. Seasonality only. Okay, well, we know there's seasonality, so let's keep that in as an option. Irregular variation only. No, there's a very nice clear pattern. Decreasing trend with seasonality, or an increasing trend with seasonality. Okay, this is where it might get a bit tricky to see. Now, do we see a trend here? Do we see overall, is our data going up, increasing, or is it going down, decreasing? Now, we can't really see here. Overall, there's really not enough evidence. We can't clearly see if it's increasing or decreasing. We can't see if there's a general upwards or downwards direction. So here, the answer is B. We can only clearly see seasonality. And from the examiner's report, which in the Northern Hemisphere exam we don't get a lot of detail from, but this is one of the questions they did give us some detail on. It says, the graph shows seasonality since there is an annual cycle of peaks and troughs in sales. A trend is not evident since there is no general upward or downward direction of the sales over the 4 years. So because we can't clearly see a trend, we can't say whether or not there is an upwards or downwards trend, an increasing or decreasing trend. So at this stage, all we can say is seasonality only.